Just get on more sales calls. Ha ha ha. I originally learned this concept from Mr. Ovens, Sam Ovens, which is kind of the king of info, made 60 million, I think, in selling information and teaching people how to do consulting. And he said the number one factor that he found, well, you already know the factor, which made everyone successful, the more they did it, was literally just the amount of sales calls they got on. And I feel like I was talking to someone today, and especially when you're beginning out, there's so much. And if you just optimize for the amount of calls that you get on, it solves like almost everything else. Because that becomes, if you just go for that single thing. Because, okay, is me working on the offer for another 50 hours gonna get me more sales calls? Which is the thing that actually drives revenue, right? No, I don't think so. Okay, then let's not do that. Is me engaging with my community gonna get me more sales calls? Well, yeah, because if my community is better, then the chances of me, one of those people booking a call is higher. Well, is me getting more traffic gonna help me? Well, yeah, actually, that's probably the thing that's gonna help me the most. And it's like it will automatically solve so many decisions that you're going to make by just getting on more fucking sales calls, bro. That's it. For real. Just get on more sales calls, and for the sales calls itself, if you don't know what to do, just use the Hormozi framework, which is the simplest framework. Clarify why they're there, label them a problem, sell overview past experience, sell them on vacation, explain about their concerns, and then after you onboard them, reinforce their decision. Right? Just keep it simple. And with these 5 things, I would probably have some sort of script that you would whip up, and a script doesn't have to be too hard. So it's like you just understand the intention behind it, and then that'll take you mostly there. But even if you just hammer out the sales calls, like you'll understand people well enough that you'll just sell the shit out of them because you'll know the problems and what they want. Like just do more sales calls, bro. This is me talking to myself too. I just need to do more sales calls. That's it. If I just optimize for that, Italian. All right, bye. Oh, ciao, bro. End the call, bro. End the call. This isn't a call. This is Zoom. That's going on YouTube. All right, but ciao.